Hi. So welcome to week 2. This is your coming attraction video. I'm just going to give you the highlights and a short form to remind you what you're looking at and then prepare you for what's coming your way. So week 2, we're looking at problem statements, research questions, and hypotheses. We're also going to talk about different methods, qualitative, quantitative, and the mixed methods. It's important just to understand the distinctions. Though most of you will be doing qualitative, I want to make sure you understand everything there. We're also going to talk a little bit about lit reviews. You have a couple of very interesting articles from Chow and Given, and you also have 3 chapters 3, 8, and 10, that you're going to be reading in your text. Remember, you have to take the full, copy the full link and put it in a brand new browser window, and it'll bring you directly to it. You've got a PowerPoint, there's some videos, and then you're going to have discussion questions. Much like what you saw last week, you have discussion question A and discussion question B. And you are responsible to do both. This is going to talk about showing some examples of different research questions and how you develop research questions. You have an assignment, and you're going to begin to draft your lit review. 5 to 10 resources are probably a good place to start. I'll remind you that last week I showed you the document that you can contain all your information about your lit review. But we want to start putting it together. Again, this isn't done in a minute, done in a day. It's going to be something you're going to keep adding to. So that's really what you're looking at for week 2. Naturally, I look forward to seeing you Wednesday night, 6 o'clock. And I'll be sending your Zoom out very shortly. Thank you so much and have a great day.